Good morning. So we are at the vegetable village and we are going to do a cooking class here. So the cooking class starts at 9:30 a.m. and it goes all the way till 2 o'clock. You arrive and they give you a drink and a foot massage, and then you get to go into the gardens and pick your vegetables, and you use those vegetables to cook your afternoon lunch. It's so beautiful out. There's lots of cycling tours that go through here, and everyone usually stops for a brunch or a lunch. Because it's a holiday, there's not very many staff, but they're willing to do tours through their holiday, which is really, really nice. If you aren't able to do a cooking class, you can still come here and have lunch or even just walk through the gardens. It's such a nice peaceful area. There's only bikes and tours going through. It's beautiful. We started off the tour by walking through their garden.
Coriander. Do you know chicken rice in Hoi An?
Chicken rice? No, I haven't had it yet. No. Oh, it smells good.
The stick is put in the water.
So use the palm trees to cover the baby seeds that are growing up so that it protects it from the scorching heat or the pouring rain.
Fish meat. Oh yeah, it smells fishy. Yeah.
Oh yeah,
Smells
I
fishy.
smell
It only have a Vietnam food.
Hear that? A foot massage. Then, as everyone arrived, we all got a foot massage. They had set everything up for us and we were ready to start cooking.
I see, I get it.
Thank you.
Grab this one. Sorry,
Yes,
I'm
Hey, that's alright.
jumping the gun.
So I'm gonna throw one in
So
here, right?
Why don't you put one in here first and then
Okay.
you can pass it around?
We should be going the other way.
And this is good?
Yes,
One of these?
please.
Yeah.
One foot? Yeah.
And then I'm gonna throw it.
We learned so much in this cooking class, from spring rolls to fish, and finally a salad. Okay, you take it.
Go ahead.
Want the ginger out too?
Yes, you can get the
Half of it.
half of it. And for the white, half please.
Turn this on.
Yes,
Half.
and
One ginger?
Yeah.
you don't need water.
Okay, just the fish.
Yeah, just the fish.
Put it in there.
Yes. No fish. Okay.
Ah,
Yes.
Voila. Nice.
Give it that chocolate.
Sorry, I have no help right now. This was a group class that we met other Canadians who were traveling through Vietnam themselves. Both Can I have a taste too when you're done?
It's really good.
Were you doubting
Yeah, it's really good.
Were you doubting it?
Yeah, a little.
It's so good.
It's okay.
Please. For
This way, yeah?
yes, please. I need for salad small size, not too soft, please. A little bit about 2 weeks. We have the rice. When you pour more, yes.
It's so bitter.
Yes.
They're just diving into it.
It's baby banana.
Something like that.
We need the pepper too. Pepper? You like pepper?
Love it.
Yeah.
Yes, love it.
It's a Canadian spice.
Have you seen it growing? They grow it in Vietnam. Looks like tiny little grapes, clumps of grapes.
Well,
There you go.
but like,
Still
of course,
tiny,
little
tiny.
Yes, just
peppercorns.
small.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Around the tree.
Clusters.
Yeah,
Yes,
it's like a
the long
vine
tree.
going up.
Yes.
Oh wow.
seen it.
Yeah, it's just a skinny tree, right?
Yeah.
Here we're making spring rolls and we're rolling them in delicate rice paper. Then next we're going to fry them.
And when you put string roll come the oil, you put the open side here, down, please. Yes. Okay, now click, please.
What's great about this cooking class is we got to make 3 different Vietnamese dishes and they were amazing and tasty.
Don't know how it works.
Oh, that's easy.
That's right.
I think so. My feet.
Go around. Both sides.
Yes, please. Around the pan. Here, sir. For you.
And then cover.
And then you cover.
And now for our favorite part, we got to sit down, relax, and eat the food we had just created.
Okay, enjoy your meal, please. Thank you. Yes, please.
Roll it.
Would you like something more, right?
Or like a taco.
Is it good?
Please. Enough, please. Okay, enough. Now you can see me. And we have a local style. Or we have like just
She's
like
got
a
a salad spinner.
local style, please.
salad
Yes.
spinning. Wow, look at that.
Okay. Whoever want try? Yes, please.
A
Okay,
little
please.
more wrist action.
Oh, I get dizzy.
And finally, the final touches on our last meal. And we want to express we had an amazing day at Mai Home Hoi An restaurant.